Welcome to the channel. This is just going to be a quick video about the ZetSaw Dozuki because I've been blown away by it. My buddy let me borrow, I think it was like 17 saws, and a good majority of them were Japanese saws. So I have a video looking at all the Japanese saws, comparing them to Western, and I have to say that out of all of them, this one was the most surprising. He has their Japanese saws are inexpensive in general, but the more expensive saws that were actually made by a maker in Japan, they were beautiful, they worked really well, they're nice. But this saw blew me away because it's only 30 bucks. It cut faster than those ones did. I don't know if I'd say smoother or not because this one is a hybrid. So this one can do crosscut and rip cut. If it gets dull, you just take the plate out, throw it away, replace it with a new one. That's mainly it. I was just highly impressed with this one and wanted to let you guys know. If you are a beginner and you're looking for a Japanese saw, I'm going to recommend this one. I'll put a link to it down below. I don't recommend going with a high-end Japanese saw if you're learning how to use Japanese saws, because if they bind in the cut, you can snap the plate. And with some Japanese saw, that means you throw the whole thing away. With this one specifically, you wouldn't throw the whole thing away, you would just replace the plate, but something to keep in mind. I think that's it. If you have any questions, any comments, anything like that, feel free to let me know down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and have a good day.